I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Here is Learning with Sheun. So today we are going to be learning differentiation of polynomial function. Mind you, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe now so that you can get more of my videos as time goes on. Now, if you have y equal to ax raised to power n, so this is the formula for solving polynomial function. So therefore, our dy over ds equal to na raised to power n minus 1. So here you are going to multiply n by any value here, which is what? A. So you have n multiplied by a, which is what? Na, then x, then you minus it from 1. So this formula is what we use for polynomial function. Now, e.g., if y equal to ax squared plus bs plus c, find dy over ds. So in this case, you are differentiating y in respect to x. So you are going to have dy over dx is going to be equal to, now multiply these 2 by this a. That's 2 times a is going to give us what? 2a, then x, this 2 minus it from 1, minus 1, then plus, here we have 1 multiplied by b, that's bx, then we have a power of 1 on this s, that's 1 minus 1 plus, so this c is a constant. In differentiation, whenever you are differentiating a constant, it's going to give you what? 0. I hope that is clear. So from here, we can now say, let's rewrite the question. From here now, we can now see 2a x raised to the power of 2 minus 1, which is what? 1, plus bs 1 minus 1, which will give you what? 0, then plus 0. So from here now, we can now say our answer will now be 2as plus b, anything raised to the power of 0 will give you what? 1. So multiply by 1. So the final answer is going to be 2ax plus b. You understand? So this is our final answer for this. So this is what we call polynomial function. Now let's take, for instance, if you are given a question that says number 1, y equal to x. Now, if I am going to differentiate this, I am going to have dy over ds equal to, now I'm going to minus the power of s here by 1. That's x raised to the power of 1 minus 1, which is equal to x raised to the power of 0. So from here, my answer will be 1, because anything raised to the power of 0 is what? 1. So let's assume you are given y equal to s squared. Now, if I'm going to differentiate this, I'm going to have the y over ds equal to, now multiply the coefficient of s by the power, that's 2 times 1, 2s, minus 1 from these 2, 2 minus 1. So the answer is going to be 2x. Are we getting that? Now from here, let's say you have another question that says let's say you have this number 3 now. You have y equal to 3s squared plus 2s plus 3. This is a polynomial function. Now from here, we are going to say the y over the s is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, 6. Are we getting that? Let me write it out for clear understanding. That will be 3 multiplied by 2x, then 2 raised to the power of minus 1 plus 1 times 2 multiplied by what? 1x raised to the power 1 minus 1 plus 0. So from here, you are going to have 3 times 2, 6s, 2 minus 1, 1, plus 2 times 1, 2x, 1 minus 1, 0. So from here now, our answer will be 6s plus 2 into 1. Don't forget, any series power 0 is what? 1. So the final answer is going to be 6s plus 2. This is what we call a polynomial function of differentiation. I hope that is clear. So let's say you are given a question like this that says y equal to s squared over 2 plus s over 3 plus 1. So here you have to find the y over the s. Now, merely looking at this is very, very simple. Why? Because you are going to say equal to, you will differentiate the numerator, then the denominator, you will leave it. You must not differentiate the denominator. So from here, 2 multiplied by 1, that's 2s raised to the power of 2 minus 1 all over 2 plus x raised to the power of 1 minus 1 all over 3 plus 0. Are you getting that? Now, our answer is going to be 2s, 2 minus 1, 1 over 2, plus s raised to the power of 0 over 3. Then the final answer is going to be 2, we cancel 2 here. So we have s plus anything raised to the power of 0 is what? 1 over 3. This is now the final answer. I believe you get that. Come again. You will differentiate only the numerator. You will leave the denominator, don't differentiate it. So from here, you will have 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 over 2 plus x raised to the power of 1 minus 1 over 3 plus 0. Because if I differentiate a constant 1 and we have what? 0. So differentiation of any constant gives us what? 0. Now, then from there, these two will cancel this, and this s will be raised to the power of 0 to have what? S plus 1 over 3. So this is what we call a polynomial function. A polynomial function. Now, let's say you have another question. That says y equal to infinity summation of r equal to 0 cr raised to the power of minus 1 then s raised to the power of r. So this question is very, very straightforward. So you are finding the y. Now, to solve this question, repeat everything that is here and differentiate this. So we have infinite value of solution r equal to 0, c r raised to the minus 1, then differentiate this r is raised to the power r minus 1. So this is how to differentiate. Now, this is under definition of a polynomial function. So our next class is going to be on how to differentiate a what? Trigonometric what? Function. Since then, God preserve us and God bless you. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is a channel that is going to bless your life academically.